Hello, I'm Sydney Sim with Century 21 Westcountry, and I am here with the lovely Nikki at the Backwoods Cafe, which is right across from our store. We have the most amazing coffee here. Nikki, tell me, why did you open this beautiful store?
We decided we wanted to make a place for people to come to enjoy some home-cooked comfort food, along with great company and great coffee.
And you've been open for how many years now?
It'll be 2 years on May long weekend.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Did that go fast?
It did, super fast.
So you've been open for 2 years. What is it that you love? How are things going?
Things are going wonderful. The people in our community are great. That is probably the best part of it. We get to visit with people every day and enjoy everybody's company. The new thing, the fact that we're starting catering a little bit more and everything, we're looking at expanding our catering business, and we're really looking forward to that also.
Yay! That is really exciting. As if you guys aren't busy enough. You've got a lot going on in here.
We do, yeah, most days.
Well, that's wonderful. So are you open Monday to Friday? Are you open weekends?
We are open Monday to Saturday for the winter, and then come after May long, we start opening Sundays too. So we'll be open 7 days a week.
So how early in the morning?
7:30 in the morning, you can come and see us.
Get the coffee.
Saturdays, 10 o'clock in the morning, because of course we all need to sleep in a little bit, so.
And you post your lunch specials on social
Facebook
media?
and Instagram. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So they go into social or on Facebook, and I will make sure to add that in this.
Wonderful.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Sharon, I'm Cindy from Century 21 Westcountry, and I wanted to know what it is that you love about Backwoods Cafe.
Hi Cindy, I like everything. I love everything about Backwoods Cafe. I love the whole atmosphere. I love the people, and I especially love my lattes.
How often do you come here?
I come every day. I hardly ever miss a day. Sometimes I'm in here 2 or 3 times a day, and I don't live in town.
And you don't live in town,
No, I
but you
don't.
come here purposely for the coffee.
I certainly do.
Oh my goodness, well that's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.